In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 182 by 7 using the long division method. Now see that 1 is less than 7, that is why we will consider the number 18. We know that 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Subtract, we get 4. Now this 4 is less than 7, that is why we will bring down this number 2 here. And we know that 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 182 divided by 7 is equal to 26. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.